Good afternoon, good morning, good day, wherever you're joining from. Super excited. Tell me where you're joining from, Mr. Deolu Adeyinka. Good to have you. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. Tell me where you're joining from. You're welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. It's going to be a great time today. You guys are welcome to Forex Outlook with Mayowa Owolabi. And guys, I'm really excited about everything that is happening in the market. Market is playing towards my expectation. But right now, we'll go deeper on what we are expecting the market to do. So you guys should tell me where you're joining from. We have Shatin Isaac from Badagry, Pro FX, Joseph joining from Lagos. Good to have you on. Moses Ogbeche. Good afternoon, coach from Abuja. Good to have you on. How is Abuja? Charles Eyinacho. Good afternoon, coach. I celebrate you. I celebrate you too. So as usual, you want to click on the like button if this is your first time. Make sure you like this video. Okay. So make sure you like the video. I want to see you guys like the video. I want to see you guys share the video. Fantastic. Oh yeah, let's like. Let's like. Everybody click on like right now. Click on like. I want to see the numbers grow. And also click on the share button. And if this is your first time, make sure you join the free Forex group. I want to see how many people have liked this video. If I have obedient students, or I just have people who are fantastic. Can you see? You are not liking. Can you see? Can you see? I don't understand. You are learning free to like is what? Eh? Should I say that the things I'm teaching you should not enter your head? Click like, Joe. What's there in liking? Ah, click on like. That's how to support the channel. And you click on share. Hey, Taiwo Ronke, good afternoon, coach. Thanks for all you do. God bless you. Yeah, thank you. Thank you. Click on like, click on share. Help other people to succeed. If I'm giving it for you free, help others people see it free too. Copy the link, share on your Facebook. Okay. BGB company, Adebayo Tosin from Oyo Town. Wow. Good to have you on. And how is Oyo today? Great. Okay. Inoli says, please share the link for the free group. The link for the free group is in the description of the video. Is in the description of the video. Okay, it's in the description of the video. That's the link. I've also sent it. So guys, tell me, Nolly, that's the link. How's your trading been this week? Tell me, be sincere. How's your trading this week? That's the link. How's your trading been this week? I can imagine. Okay. Omonoke says not good, sir. What pair did you take? Miss gold trades on Monday and Tuesday. Hey, I can imagine. I can imagine. That trade gave about 700 pips. 700 pips is a lot. 700 pips is a lot. I'm telling you. 700 pips is a lot. Ebuka says bitter and sweet mixture. Mm. So for me, I think I have issues with the volume. The volumes in the market are not giving me what I want. Okay. So let's check what the chart is giving to us. My trading starts basically today. I trade Wednesdays, Thursday, Fridays. Although the intraday strategy we are launching is allowing us to trade every day. It's allowing us to trade almost every day now. So that's why I have a concern. I mean, I don't want to be trading every day. Trading every day is like forbidden fruit. Charles says, I watched your video on COT and it was a wow moment for me. I took a trade on demo, so far over 200 pips, trading euro pairs. Fantastic. Sir, that AUD chef on group hit stop loss. Yes, I didn't say we hit a profit. It's just a hype, it's a probability trade. Just make sure you are using your calculator. For example, I risk about I risk about 60. I risk about 60 something dollars on I'm live toasting. Let's talk. I risk about $60 to do about $1,900 on Euro GBP. So that's so losing is part of the trade. So what else? What has happened between last week and now? If you understand COT reports, you will do a lot for yourself. Trading will be smooth, smooth, smoothest for you. But a lot of you want everything free. The little you know, go and make money with it. Then you increase in knowledge. Okay. So when I first started too, you know, the ones I can learn free, I learn free. But I had to pay what about $15,000 to access some information about Forex. And my own mentor is not even coming to YouTube. He doesn't have that time. It's just that some of us we have Jesus mind. He doesn't have time to come to YouTube and see. He doesn't even have a YouTube channel. He's just trading and it's good. And he doesn't people don't even know that he's big. He just have investment everywhere. But some of us just took it upon ourselves to be a blessing, to impact. So please learn it, implement it, grow. If you hit stop loss, take another trade. Just use calculator, reduce your risk, and you are good to go. Reduce your risk. Take the next one. If you have $100, risk 1% or 2%. Keep trading. Don't over leverage. Not that you make money. You think that the strategy is 100%, then you go and double up. You double up, it catch fire, then you will naturally feel sad. That's what me I don't like Forex about. But there's no business under heaven that you will not experience such. You must experience it. You must experience it. You must experience it. You must experience it. Can we go into the class today? Are we ready? Not good. GBP is killing on buy since Monday. Yeah, it doesn't have to be good. Just master. Just master. DGC, Baba, I'm on your toes. I'm on your toes following. I'm on my toes following your footsteps. You are too much, sir. Thank you so much, sir. So, how many of you would like to learn intraday strategy? How many of you don't have a strategy yet? You would like to learn my intraday strategy? How many of you? Before I analyze today, let me get some feedback from you people. Let me see if it is worth releasing to the public. Intraday, your entry will be on 1 minute chart. Your analysis will be on 1 hour, between 1 hour and 4 hours, but your entry is 1 minute chart. Okay, Apollo says I. Clement says yes. Intraday. Okay, so how many of you can be disciplined to 1 or 2 pairs? How many of you can be disciplined to 1 or 2 pairs? You are going to only, because I've taught you before that the challenge in the market There's a battle between quantity and quality. So some of you have good strategy, but because you trade so often, you will trade only one trade. Because you trade so often, you will trade two trades, then you trade so many pairs, then you lose what you have made. So the reason why I don't trade intraday up till January this year, or let's say last quarter last year, my team in the community has been like on my neck for intraday, and we've been working on it. So since last month, one of them has grown $200 to about $400 in less than 3 weeks. Another person has passed his phase one of my FX fund is in phase two. The other person too has passed, is in phase two. Between now and the next week, they should be able to pass their phase two. But where I have an issue is that a lot of time, a little discipline is what we need to be able to succeed. So for me, my discipline is in my swing. So instead of me trading every day, I need just one or two trades on my swing trade, and I hold it for 2 weeks or 3 months, between 2 weeks to 3 months, and I am done for that journey. For example, now I took euro. I think I showed this chart. I showed this trade to last week. Okay, during the webinar, I talked about this trade. Okay, and I took this trade on 1 minute chart. I took this trade from 1 minute chart. So there was accumulation. We entered into the accumulation phase. Then it was this was my entry. So it was about five or seven pips entry. So about 5 to 7. I don't think this is it, guy. I don't think this is the entry. I think it came a little bit lower. So it's a 7 pips entry, and that 7 pips, gave me 1 to 60 something, 1 to 60 something risk reward. So yeah, so about 1 to 60 something, I had cashed out close to about 1,700 on this trade, about 1,900 on this trade, with just a risk of about $60. Kappa says, good afternoon, sir. I love to learn. I love to learn. Okay, so since you guys want it, we have planned to release it. So what I would do, wait till the end of the program. I'll give you guys um, Easter promo to get access to the course. Okay, I'll give you guys access to the course. Um, we- yes, we'll give you guys. Are you excited about that? Are you guys excited? So it's 1 minute chart, 1 minute entry. We have about 25 case studies. Just the same thing. You're looking for the same thing, and it's two entry strategies on 1 minute chart. Just two. If you don't see it, don't enter. If you see it, enter and risk. Are you excited, guys? Are you excited? Because say, carry me go where you are going. Nice one. Okay, so I'll give a discount for you guys, and the discount will end on Friday. Okay. Okay. So great. So what? I'll give you guys a discount for it. Oh, good. So let's get to work, guys. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. Let's work. So as usual, whenever you come to the market, you want to have a better understanding of what the index is doing. And the index has been bullish for a very long time. Okay. And I told us that this index being bullish should take us to the top. So I was expecting this guy to come down back here. But on the on the on the COT report, the guy didn't come back. What I was expecting, let me see if I can. Okay, hold on, guys. I'm coming. I want to get. Okay, fantastic. Thank you so much. Isidri says, I love your explanation. I'll just try my best. So this is JPY for this week. So JPY for this week, non-commercials tells us that they are selling, but they closed more positions. So this is buy position, this is sell position. However, the last week they closed their sell position. So because they closed their sell position, it means that what's his name? JPY will will reduce in short and will increase in buy. That means that for this week, we would see some sell this week because the market changed. They added 2,400 to the market and they closed 9,000. So the bigger picture is to keep buying um, buying Euro JPY, buying JPY pairs, okay? But the short term, you're going to be selling JPY pairs. So if you come to the chart right now, you will agree with me that JPY is selling. The reason why JPY is selling is because this week they closed shorts and they added more buy. So that means that money is added to what? Money is added to JPY. So we're going to see some retracements. So that is why the opening of this week, this guy has been what? Has been selling. So the only time, because it's not a major decision, these guys still need to reduce. Remember, they are still selling. And if they are selling, it means that if they are selling JPY, it means that GBP buy should be buying. All these other ones should be buying. So for us to continue in alignment with the banks, we have to look for a buy. Okay? In alignment with the bank. So this is where we are going to buy. This is where we are going to buy. But to buy here, we have to wait because the order that was released is that this week, JPY will be weak. JPY will be strong, sorry. JPY will be strong because they open more buy and they close more sell. So if you come to the chart of the truth, they closed more sell, they open more buy. And because they open more buy, JPY is strong. So if you go to 1 hour, you just see that they are selling. And this sell does not mean anything. This sell only means that this sell does not mean that JPY, the trend is now sell. What am I trading today? It's not complex. Maybe I should come back to the normal, to the simple one. If you are getting me, put in 7. If you are getting me, put in 7. Thank you for sharing, Samuel Godson. I want to be sure you guys are getting it. Okay, fantastic. Moses says simple. Fantastic. Okay, so you guys are getting it. Fantastic. So this week, their normal position is that the JPY is weak. And that means they are selling. They are selling JPY. And if they are selling JPY, it means that Euro JPY buy, GBP JPY buy, all those ones buy. So if you come to your chart now, since 1 month ago or 3 months ago, you see that JPY has been buying. Let's use 1 month. You see, buy. The first 3 quarters, they've been buying. The reason why they are buying is because they are selling off JPY. But this particular week, they took a decision, okay, to buy more JPY. and to sell off to reduce their sell position. So immediately they reduce their sell positions and they bought more. That means that JPY will be strong. And immediately for this new week, we saw JPY reducing. Now, this JPY that is reducing, does that mean you should start? Does that mean that the sell has changed? Does that mean that you can start selling JPY? Does that mean that you should start selling? Isaac said, I'm interested in intraday and trading only one pair. Okay, so we'll talk about it. DGC say, I need your training video on COT previously done. That one is old school now. I've done it 4 years ago or 6 years ago. We have it in the course. We have it as a course right now. So it's better you buy the course so you don't know what that was, because you might not still have how to interpret it. So Jody said, I learned something new today. And that's why I'm your mentor. Just that I'm not your coach. I'm your mentor. I'm teaching you, showing you the way. But if I'm your coach now, you are paying me. That's the difference between mentor and coach. A mentor will share knowledge with you. A coach will force you to succeed. A coach will cane you. A coach will fight you. A coach will. So basically, with that, you will. So on the so on the chart this week, that's why we are seeing this. So right now, this has not changed the direction. Our buyer following in the market is 63,000 shorts. So it means that the buyers are still in control. So we have to now look for a buy opportunity so that we can join the buyers in the market. So what do? I pick up my trend line, join this guy, then I wait for my what? I wait for the market to come down here. So because I now have an intraday strategy, which you guys should have access to. You know, this is where we are going to buy. You are now going to ask yourself, can I get a sell position this week since these guys are selling? So I come here and now come here and say, okay, short-term position. Where are the positions I can sell this week? I'll look for a sell here. I'll look for a sell here. So I'll just be looking for intraday entry because the institutions are selling. Okay, but it is against the trend. So in the ITC swing, we don't trade against the trend, but the intraday strategy, you look for your condition here and sell. You sell. You look for your condition here, you sell. So when the market now come into the daily zone, which is where we want to buy, we will now buy and take it up because that is the direction the institutions are going. They still have, don't forget that they still have close to, what's their position? Even after reducing 63,692 minus 9908. They still have 53,000. So even if you add these two to this guy now, there is really no change. So you see that there's still a lot of position. So this is the current order that is open. So it means that we have a lot of money. Sorry. It means that the previous order, the previous week, we had 63,692 plus 9908. This was the previous order that we had. So this new week, they've removed minus 9 908. So this is what they have. This is why we have this order right now. So if you look at this order, you will say, Mr. Mayowa, I'm looking for buy. This week I want to buy. But this is the bigger picture of the market, which is the uptrend. This is our uptrend. This is our week plan. What did I just review to? Hey, guy, God punish poverty. What will you tell me, Samayawa? Are you guys? Come on. I think I'm removing smoke. I need to, and the AC is on in the office. I'm on. I think I'm smoking. I think I'm smoking this afternoon. Okay, so basically, calm down, be calming down. Everybody type in calm down. Tell me that I want to calm down. I can't teach you everything in 1 hour, but let's work. Let me reduce my training. Let's get to work. So that is why. Oh, Jesus. Oh, God of heaven. Scholastica says, interesting, sir. Calm down. Thank you. I'm coming down. Calm down. Calm down. Adolu says, revelation. Yeah, thank you. Be coming down. Be coming down. Be coming down. Yes. Bye. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Calm down. Oh, Jesus. Maxwell Emmanuel says, take us to permanent site. That is what I am doing now. That is what I am doing. Okay, so I'm just trying my best. So let's get back to work, basically. But I'm sure you guys are learning. So the institutions are reducing their positions. And because they are reducing their positions, it doesn't mean that the trend is changing. It's just that it's going to be against the trend. And the against the trend means that you have to now be very, very careful. So right now, my bias for Euro JPY is to buy. I'm going to be buying here. But the intraday setup, we're going to be looking for if Euro GBP is part of your intraday. Not that you now say, Mr. Mayowa say we'll sell here. Yeah, we'll sell there and it will sell. But throughout this week, I am to buy because I have a first-hand information. I have a first-hand information that they have more position open to buy than sell, basically, for this week. For this week. So let's get back to it. So, like I said here before, so this guy has been going up. Came down here. So we're expecting what's his name? JPY to keep gaining strength because of that retracement. So I expect it to gain strength to the top. So my bias right now is that GCHF should go, JPY should gain strength. So I'm bullish on JPY for this week. So now the order here, GBP is sell, okay? GBP is sell, index buy. So if you come here now and check what index is doing, this NZD dollar, this euro dollar, this is Bitcoin. So I know what Bitcoin will be doing for the week. That's how to run it. Um, So one of the challenges with dollar is that there is no singular dollar. So you can do USD card, NZD card, you can see Swiss francs, you can see British pound, okay? So you can see that the buyers on British pound, look at this now. The buyers on British pound is sell. So they are selling British pound, okay? So this week, they closed their what? They closed part of their long position and they added more sell. So what do you expect them to do? Tell me. Good. You'll be expecting them. Let me see what you guys are saying. Fantastic. So sell it. Fantastic. So yeah. So for me, GBP, GBP is sell. The buyers is sell. So all those things we see go up is just counter trend. And since they've even closed their position, their buy position, since they've closed their buy position, then we can look for sell. So DXY is in a decision zone. We need to be sure. Euro is in a decision zone. My bias for Euro 2 is sell. Okay. My bias for NZD should go up. Okay. AUD should go up. That's my bias. Check up. Okay. Card up. Okay. Is that clear with our index? Can we go further? Can we go further? Can we go further? Fantastic. So, what are we starting with today? Tell me. What pair do you want us to analyze? Let's go. As usual. Fantastic. DGC Forex says, you just showed me the catalyst for financial success. We thank the Lord. We thank the Lord. Okay, gospel to the world says gold. Adedoyin says euro, GBP. Ikechi says GU. Prof says gold. So let's do gold. I'm seeing a lot of gold. Bright. Jeffrey says AU. I'm seeing a lot of gold. So this Omoike has been disturbing for this. So okay, so so what I'll do, I'll give you 60% discount. Are you happy, Omoike? It's $500. The COT report Cost is $500, but you can get it for $300. Okay, today. I ignored that question before. You now put it up again. As a matter of fact, I'll give you for 250. Let me just give you 50% discount. Hope I've helped you. But you are paying today. If you are not paying today, it goes back to 500. That's what is called discount. Okay, NASDAQ, GBP Okay. I have learned something powerful today. Please calm down, sir. Okay. Gold, right? Yes. So let's do gold. I'm seeing gold. I'm seeing gold. I'm seeing GU. Peter Wawere says, I'm a newbie and I'm learning slowly. Please, no rushing. Don't rush. Just be learning gradually. Some people, that's their challenge. They rush in inside forest and they rush out. Please, no rushing. Don't resign your work. Keep collecting salary. Learn, master, start making money. Make sure you can make 10 times your salary, then resign, start a company. That is how to don't say, don't be like some people. Just calm down, master it. It's a skill set. Oh. If it's taking 4 years to be certified as an engineer, 7 years as a doctor, Forex will take you minimum 1 to 2 years. So all those, it will take you 1 month. Don't mind them. Because you do a lot of mistake, you correct yourself, you will blame yourself, you feel like quitting, all those things will come up. It is now about your discipline and your tenacity, believing that you can make money there that will make you remain. I felt like dropping the towel a very long time, but I said to myself, my father did not learn it. I want to learn it so that my children, it will be simple for them. If my father has paid the price and suffered the whole suffer, he will just teach me one strategy and it will be good. So right now, I'm the one doing the suffering now. Can't do stick, can't do this, can't do night, lighting up the candle, owning gen, being on inverter, mastering the skill so that my daughter is 10 years old, will be 10 years old in less than a year or two. Then I will teach my daughter. I've told her once she's 10 like this, I'll teach her COT. I'll teach her everything about Forex. When she's 18, she start trading. But she will start trading demo account. She will start doing all those things from 10 so that the journey will be shorter. Not that some of us that we started learning Forex at 25, 30, 40 something. If you have learned it 10 years ago, you'd have been so master. At 25, she is already the youngest hedge fund trader in the world. Youngest. Go and Google now. All the hedge fund traders, none of them is less than 40 years old. All of them are above 40. I'm even annoyed, sir. Let's get. Oh, God. But I'm sure I'm helping you guys. I'm helping you guys. So pay the price right now. Pay the price, master it, and let's go. Okay, so we have a lot of requests today. So let's take it one by one. Let's do gold and GU. Okay, let's do gold and GU. Okay, you guys know that I'm only coming here I'm only going to teach you first for analysis. Chukoyem says, I believe soon Forex trading will be taught in the university. Yes, yes, it will have its own university. It will. It will. So let's go to GU and gold. So let's start from monthly. So we are still in this zone. And in this zone, anything can happen. After that zone, we have this zone. And after that zone, we have this zone. So these are the three areas of interest on monthly time frame. So we'll come to daily. On daily charts, we have this in the zone. Okay. And we have this in the zone. Okay. So having established this, it means if I want to sell, I need to see the market come here. If I want to buy, the market come back here. Those are the two areas of interest that I will be working with. Sometimes I stick to 8 hours. Okay. So this 8 hours looks like it. Then I have my trend line to back it up. Okay. So this will be my bias. Okay. So if we now take this to lower time frame, bear in mind that the market is yet to come to this sell. So I can't sell here, basically. Okay. So because the market is yet to get there, that means that max, it will come back for a retracement for us to buy. So the same way this other block directed the market to go up is yet to deliver what we are what we are expecting. So my bias, okay, is that I need to see, let me see. Okay, it's already on weekly order block. Okay, cool. So I need to see, for me to sell, I need to see the volume in this place. There's no volume yet to dictate the direction. So either I buy from here to the top, or I see something like this. I see something like this. Then we take it up to the top. Okay, so we need to see this accumulation. Okay, before we can sell. So right now, I'm not going to be buying, I'm not going to be selling right now. So if I go to 1 hour, we have an issue with clarity here. So the direction is not clear. The buy, so for me to buy, I'll buy here on 1 hour if I want to buy. But I cannot sell here because you can see that this is a clustered zone. This is an accumulation phase. This is an impulse phase. Okay, this is called distribution, accumulation, distribution. So watch it, guys. Okay, distribution, accumulation, distribution, distribution, distribution. This is accumulation. So inside this accumulation, this is where a lot of intraday players, this is where they lose money because they want to, a lot of RSI, would have said sell here. A lot of moving average would have said sell here. But this is not a clear place to what? To sell. You want it to break out of this or come back into this place for you to buy. So I'm going to be buying here with my intraday strategy. I'll be buying here. Okay. But this buy now is 1 minute entry. Okay. But I will not sell here. So that's the same thing that happened on gold. So right now, don't sell. You need to see the volume come out. The volume is not there right now. So don't sell. The buyers are still in control. So instead of selling, wait for buy. Have I been able to answer you today? So I'll label this guy index demand. Okay. Then I'll drop this on the group. So I've always told you, don't come and put pending order here. Make sure you use your strategy to enter. Make sure you have an exit. My own is to give you a location. Okay. And that location, you must do your pending, your own condition. That means if you don't have entry strategy, you're going to be missing out. You must have an entry strategy. Let's go to gold. So that's my bias for GU. So the same thing happened. Okay, impulse, distribution, accumulation, retracement, buy. The same thing. Okay, intraday strategy gave us 1 to 90 here on gold, and today he has given us one. Yesterday he also gave 1 to 21. Okay, so we are expecting. My bias for gold is still bullish. No sell. The reason why you don't have to sell is that a new zone has been created for an up push. So the monthly zone is yet to give us clarity. I can't sell right now. I can't sell. The only bias for this is to what? Keep buying. Okay, so this is the break of what do we call it? The break of structure. Break of structure. The market is using that to right. Okay, so on a higher time frame, this is where I will buy. I like market to retrace back, but if you are trading intraday, even inside this place, you can still take it buy. Let me see if my settings, my setup is there. It's not there right now. So let's stay tuned. Stay tuned. No selling, please. Any sell right now is a trap. Buyers are more in control. And when the buyers are in control, they're good. So we need clarity from index, US index, before we can buy. Before we can sell, sorry. Okay? So that's my bias. Look for buy on gold. Okay. Is that clear, please? 7. DGC say, yes, I'm in for the COT course, sir. Okay, fantastic. $250, sir. You have it. But you must pay today. If not, I've tried now, 50% discount. I've used Jesus Mind. Okay. So Isaac said that, so sir, that means JPY is on a retracement. Fantastic. JPY is on a retracement, but we are bullish. Okay. Gigi say, you are making sense, oh my mentor. Learning this thing at old age, no be joke. We bless God, so we are able to pay the price. Yes, sir. Let's pay the price for the people coming after us. Samuel Olua Sanyolu says, Mr. Mayowa, Mr. Owolabi, thank you. Thank you for the job well done. I do get your mail when I'm chanced. I'm off today. That is how I'm able to join you today. Wow, fantastic. Fantastic. Ariel says clear, sir. Okay. Someone says I trade gold only and I'm good with my strat. Fantastic. That's the way to go. You don't need so much strategy. You only need one. 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 So gold, our bias is buy. Jeez. Is there news? Look at what happened on the gold I just analyzed, Nana. Look at it. Look at the gold. In just in 5 minutes, 70 something pips. That's in 5 minutes. In less few or more. Okay, but no sell, no sell, no sell. I just saw that push right now. 3 p.m. There's news. Oh, I see. I'm not a news person. I don't trade news. I don't trade news. So GU is gone. GU is gone, and gold is gone. Fantastic. So, as usual, for a lot of you, I talk about my books, then I do more two analysis, then we call it a day. Have I helped you today? Have I helped you today? Fantastic. Fantastic. So let's do our break as usual. So make sure you get this book if you don't have it. It's called Financial Market Code. It's my years of experience. I spoke about my journey in it. Forex market, financial market code. Okay. Make sure you get it. If you don't have it, you are missing. The second book I'll recommend for you is Seven Battles Every Trader Must Fight and Win. Okay, 7 battles every trader must fight and win. 7 battles every trader must fight and win. Get that 2 books. Then, yeah, those 2 books will help you. 7 battles every trader must fight and win. Financial Market Code is still 50% discount. Instead of 10,000 naira, you get it for 5,000 naira. Reach out to Bukola. She will help you have it. Okay. So that's that. Then get also the wealth creation book. As you make your money, where do you put it? As Mr. Mayowa makes 10 million, 5 million, where do I put it? I have the wealth creation blueprint. I learned this from my mentor and I've been practicing it. So I put in my experience in this book. Get it. These 3 books will help you as a trader. See, every Forex trader that is good, that they want to succeed, invest in learning. Okay? Please invest and help yourself. Okay, somebody is saying, how much is Naira? How much is $250 in Naira? $250 in Naira is that should be about 187,000 Naira. That's what you're paying if you want the COT report. Invested in the intraday strategy. Okay, well, releasing it. The official date is May 1st. Okay, May 1st. Are you excited about that? Okay, so the official date for the intraday strategy is May 1st. So in May 1st, but once you make payment, you will be added to the. We are officially launching it May 1st, and the price is $500 for the course. Okay, but your $500, you will have access to um, um, you have access to 1 month in the Signal group for free. 1 month in the Signal group for free with your $500. But for those paying today, all you need to pay is $300. Okay, with $300, you have access to the 1 minute strategy. 1 minute strategy. Intraday strategy. It's been doing well. With it, gold gave us 1 to 88 risk reward. 1 to 88 risk reward. It means that if you took that trade on Monday and you put $10, you would have made $880. Okay, if you took that trade on Monday. If you took the yesterday trade, you would have made 1 to 21. 1 to 21 means if you risk $10, you would have made $210. So this is what we do in the intraday. Okay, so but for those that are getting on the pre-launch, you will get 60% discount. Have I helped you? And you also have access to the Signal group. It's not a mentorship, so I'm not. It's a course. You buy the course, you master it, you make money with it. Okay, if you are joining the mentorship group, that one is the ITC group. Okay, so with your $300 payment a day, okay, you have access to that. Have I helped you? Okay, fantastic. So $300, you have access to the intraday. The intraday is crazy. It's crazy. What will make me to start trading intraday? You know that something is crazy. The risk reward is crazy. I use it to grow. I risk about less than $60 in GBP, in Euro JPY, and I made about 1,700 on that account, on that particular. Okay. So how many of you are going for it? You're getting the COT report or you're getting the course? Let me see how under. Put in 5. Put in 5 right now. Let me be sure. Right now. So you're getting it. Put in 5. Let's go. So we have 2 more analyses for you guys to analyze. Okay. But if you're not getting it today, the offer ends on the offer ends on Friday. Okay, so it's only the COT that you must pay today. The offer ends is a Easter offer, and that's the pre-launch price. So with that, you're good. Fantastic. So thank you so much. So let's get back. We have 2 more charts to work on. If you're interested, make sure you reach out to Bukola on this number. +234 904 999 0004. Okay. COT is different though. You can't COT is different from intraday strategy. For the intraday strategy, is just a training, a full training. I think it's about 2 hours plus. It's an amazing strategy. And we have about 25 case studies. So all you just need to do is to keep looking at it. Then you have access to 1 month Signal group. So once we see it, we have about 3 traders. We have 3 traders in the office. Their goal is to look for it and drop it in the Signal group from there. But you will learn how to use it yourself. So the COT report is separate, please. If you want the COT, just go for COT. You're fine. A lot of you have fantastic strategy. You know, I don't recommend you change strategy. You just need 1 strategy. Okay. So if you have a strategy already, the only thing you need is COT. Maybe you just want to know the bias for the week. Okay, please don't get it twisted. Okay, no challenge now. Moses, no challenge. So reach out. You have Friday. But what you will do, send message to that number. Okay, send message to this number and tell them that I'm interested. I will pay before Friday or latest by Friday. Is that clear, Moses? Everybody should send message to this number, the number showing on your screen. Just send it. I'm interested in the COT report. I will pay on or before Friday. I'm interested in the what's it called? I'm interested in the intraday strategy. Okay, I'll pay on before Friday. So it's an Easter offer for you. Are you happy, Moses? So reach out, send the message to fantastic. So let's go ahead. Somebody's saying, some people are saying Euro card. Somebody's saying EJ. Somebody's saying UJ. Another person with AU. We've done gold already. So tell me so we can close this meeting. Should we just do Euro card? What pair, guys? So let's just, should I just go with UJ and E card? Are you all sending message to the number? Okay, maybe you guys are. Okay, so I think we are good there today. I think we are good today, okay? Men mentorship is 750,000 for 1 year. Okay. Mr. Mayowa, please, how much is your mentorship in Naira? Biko, I'm interested. It's 750,000 Naira for 1 year. That's $1,000 instead of $10,000 for 1 year. 750,000 for 1 year. And we have 4 sessions a week if you are going for the mentorship. Okay, Isadri says Euro card, please. Euro card, sir. So let's do Euro card. Let's do Euro card. So this is my bias. Euro card, I was expecting it to come here. Then return back. Let's do top down. So currently is on a monthly supply. So this monthly supply means we can trade this guy as a sell till it gets to for it to break this zone till it gets here. So that means that we can sell. Okay, but if you go by the COT, if you go by the COT, CAD dollar, Canadian dollar, okay, it means that they are selling Canadian dollar. If they are selling Canadian dollar, that means that Canadian dollar is weak. Okay, so because Canadian dollar is weak, you will see that they've been buying for almost 2 months or 3 months. Since last year, they've been buying it. So Eurocard has been buying because Canadian dollar has been weak. Okay, so but what happened this last week? We allow us take a decision. This last week, they opened more position to buy and they opened same position. So if this is equal, so you can come and use this. So you can see that they open more long and they close just small sell. So this more long that they open means that Euro card is gaining. So this new week, CAD will sell. So if you come to the chart, we're expecting a sell this week. And the market came into this place now, is already selling. But I won't sell straight. I'll now come to lower time frame and I'll look for an opportunity to what? To sell. So my bias is selling. Is clear? Is that clear? So my bias is selling. I can come and look for a sell on this place. I'll even drop this on the group so that we use 1 minute entry. So I'll sell for this week. That's my sell. Why? Because they have more open position. You know, this guy is equal, okay? But if you come and check non-reportable position, you can see they did they have 1,000 that they open. Okay. Yeah. But we see it means that all this sell, all this sell is a short sell. This sell now we have is short sell. We have to buy bigger picture because CAD is extremely weak. So we can sell from that zone. Look for your confirmation in that zone, and I'll drop this. Please do your confirmation and use your calculator, please. That's what makes you a disciplined trader. So I'll drop this analysis and I'll draw GU analysis and every other one spoken about. So that'll be all for today. Please post link to you. Please post link to my work. Mitchell. Link to what, Mitchell? Mitchell, link to what? Okay, so let me know the link you're talking about. So guys, that'll be all for today. Thank you so much. What will you say to Mr. Mayowa? What will you say? What will you say to my team? Those guys used to follow up on me and say, hey, Mr. Mayowa, what will you guys say here? Tell me. What will you guys say? What will you guys say? Hey, greetings, bro. Fantastic. Thank you so much, too. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Happy Easter. You're welcome. Thank you, Mr. Mayowa and your amazing team. Thank you. So, Mr. Sonte, remain profitable. Yeah, thank you. Okay, guys, I'll see you guys tomorrow. We'll talk about cryptocurrency and we'll scale up from there. If you're interested in any of the offer, the books, the COT report, and the intraday strategy, put it there. Once you make your payment, you'll be added to the Telegram group and you begin to see some wonders and we're good to go. Okay, congratulations for the ones joining. Ikechi says, is the intraday signal include mentorship class? No mentorship. Anything mentorship is the mastermind. I can't be mentor. No, it's a strategy. Learn it, master it, and you're good to go. So those that are interested, reach out to Bukola on that line. She will help you get started. Congratulations. I am breaking the record of becoming the youngest billionaire hedge fund manager with your mentorship before 35. Let's go! That's what I want to hear. That's what I want to hear. There's a guy that finished my mentorship last year. He now has his own. He's based in Cyprus. He now has his own academy. He's doing well for himself. I'm happy for him. I'm happy for him. So you can. My goal is to just help you guys succeed, get there, and we're good to go. So I'm excited. Okay. So if you want the mentorship, where I mentor you twice, we have 4 sessions. You have sessions with me twice a week. That's mentorship. But the signal group and the training, no mentorship for that place. We just drop the. You can take question and answer, but not mentorship. I can't do 2 mentorship together. One is enough. Okay, guys, that'll be all. I'll see you guys tomorrow when we talk about cryptocurrency. Have a blessed day, a blessed evening. Good day, guys. Bye bye.